welcome to the first exercise, chapter 2, class 8 NCERT mathematics book. Let us solve question. This session is divided into two parts. In this part we are going to solve question number 1 to 6 only. So let us solve it quickly. In question number 1 it is given that x minus 2 equals to 7. You see here there is a number associated with x in the LHS. We have to keep x alone in order to find its value. So let us transpose the number 2 to the RHS so that we can find its value. We have already done it in the example. So keep the variable x. The number already present in RHS will remain there, and transpose 2 to other side and it will be plus 2. Initially the sign of 2 was negative in LHS, so after transposing it will be positive. So it will be 7 plus 2 in RHS side. So solve it. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the value of x is 9. So see how easy it is. Now see number 2. This is y plus 3 equal to 10. Here we have 3 along with y. 3 is added to y. So we have to remove 3 in order to find y. So we need to transpose it to the other side. The number which is already present will be written first. 10 will be written first. And 3 will be subtracted. So solve it. 10 minus 3 is 7. So the value of y is 7. So this is the result. Now see question number 3. This is 6 equal to z plus 2. In this equation we have our variable in right hand side. So there is no need to worry. Just interchange the sides. Z plus 2 equal to 6. The value after interchanging, the value remains the same. Z plus 2 equal to 6 is equal to this. We have not done any subtraction, addition or multiplication, division. So the value remains same if we change the sides also. Now we can find the value of z. It is associated with 2. So keep the variable alone. The number already present in the right hand side have to written first. That is 6. 2 will be transposed now. It was the sign of it is plus, and after transposing it will be minus. So now solve. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the value of z is 4. I hope you are getting. It is very easy. Now let us solve question number 4. This is 3 upon 7 plus x equals to 7 divided by 7. Now see, now our variable x is present along with a fraction, not a whole number or integer. It is a fraction. So it is also very easy. Transpose the entire fraction to the other side. That's simple. So keep x alone. 17 upon 7. The fraction already present in the right hand side is to written first. That I have written. The sign of this fraction is plus. There is nothing. There is no sign. Means it is a positive number. So after transposing it will be minus. So this is minus 3 upon 7 in the RHS. So solve the fraction in order to find x. This is equal to, see, the LCM of these two numbers is 7. So in the numerator it will be 17 minus 3. X equal to 17 minus 3 is 14 upon 7. Now check if we can simplify the fraction or not. Obviously 7 2s are 14. Cancel it with 2. This implies x equal to 2. So this is the value of 2 in this equation. Now let us find the number or the solve equation question number 5. 6x equals to 12. See the variable x is only multiplied to 6 here in LHS. Just transpose that. because it is multiplied will be divided in the subsequent side. This is 12 upon 6. So the value of x is, this is cancelled, 6 2s are 12, the value of x is 12 here. I am solving very fast, I think. I hope you are getting my points. So lastly, question number 6, this is t upon 5 equals to 10. So here t is equal to, let us remove 5 from the left hand side. So the number already present is 10 and it is written first, and 5 will be multiplied with 10. So the value of t is 50. 10 5s are 50. So this is the result. I hope you got how to solve the linear equations. Thank you for watching. Let us proceed to the second part.